Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your bonus love read. This reading is going to be for the sign of Gemini. The topic of the reading is going to be what are their true intentions? Whoever it is that you're dealing with, you really wonder at times what are they truly intending for you or for the connection that they have with you. Then this reading is definitely going to help you find the answer to that. We will take oracle cards and charms as well. So stay tuned and while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So let's find out what is it that your person really intend for this connection that they have with you. Let's find out. Three of Cups. They want to have good, happy, fun times with you for sure. Um, they want to go with the flow and see where it goes. They don't want to rush into things. They don't want to, it's more like they really want to see where it goes. How they want to see things panning out. Like they don't want to push things. They don't want to think of the far-fetched future right now. They really want to just take one day at a time and see where it goes. Do you add something good to their life or do you add something not so good in their life? They're going to see that with every passing day, and whatever comes in they are going to decide based on that what do they want with you in future. But right now it seems like they really want to have good time with you. They want to have the they really enjoy your company is what I'm picking up. They really enjoy what you bring in their life for sure. But and they do see you as somebody who adds a lot of motivation to them in their life as well. So basically it means like this person is pretty much considering you as maybe their could be the one, but be that in terms of like getting into a relationship with, or be that in terms of getting married to. But yes, they are definitely considering you to if you could go long term with this person. But having said that, I feel like they are not 100% sure that they want to have a future married life with you. This person really wants to go one day at a time, so they are not in hurry in any kind of to take any kind of decision which will take this connection to the next level. Let's take more cards. Queen of Pentacles, the Magician, the Moon, Ace of Cups. And in the deck we do have this Nine of Swords. I feel like your person really wants to see how stable can you be with them. The kind of person that they are, would you create messy situations in the connection with them, or would you understand them for who they are, or would you pick up any argument, would you pick up any fight, or would you understand them and be supportive to them and their decisions that they're going to make. So it's more like they are going to test your patience as well, just to see if you could be the one for them or not. I feel like this person will gradually fall into love with you, but as of now, if we talk about their current energies and what they are intending with you, it's more of a we will see kind of energy. But yes, I feel like this person will be testing you and your patience a lot, like more than what you would like to go through. Basically there will be a lot of delays with your person and you in this connection, because like I said, this person is not in hurry. Maybe you want things to pace up, and maybe one of the reasons or one of the issues that you might be having with this person could be the delays in the connection. You want things to pace up, they want to go very slow around it. But again, if you could stay stable mentally, physically, emotionally around this person and being with them, trust me, this person is going to shower you with more than what you can expect. But if you fail to understand and go with them the way they want you to go with them, it will cause maybe you will choose to leave this person otherwise. Because it seems like there needs to be a lot of understanding here in this connection, because I feel like if you are not stable, if you are not mentally, physically, emotionally stable, and if you don't have much to do of your own, you might have issues with this person because they might not be available to you all the time. So I feel like for some of you, you might choose to walk away from this person because they would not be satisfyingly giving you what you want. So it's more like you would feel like you're not getting fulfilled with this person. That's what I'm picking up. um I feel like, if you really want things to pace up, maybe you need to look within. What is it that's causing you to make things work quick? Is it your fear of, what if it doesn't work later on? Are you going to waste your time? Because I feel like, it's more of a fear-based energy that you are having right now. If that's the case, you really need to work on that. Because even if you choose to move on, I do see that you will be having struggles in love life. Why? Because maybe you want things to speed up, and you want somebody who could give you all. Now, it's very important. The more you are in the neediness of something, the harder you get it. It's very important for you to have your own life. It's very important for you to have, the things that keeps you busy, because otherwise you will be depending on the person for a lot of your happiness and a lot of your emotional needs, which is going to be wrong. You need to have a lot of bunch of people around you, friends and family and everything, so that you don't depend on this person heavily. And if because if you do so, I do see that the connection will be getting affected, because your person might not be like, it's maybe they are not ready to deal with a person like that. So I feel like, it's it's I feel like, they would love it if you could understand them and be patient with them, but I don't see you getting patient with them. I feel like, you might choose to walk away. um, so as of now, for sure, they are not 100% sure that they want a future with you or not, because they just want to see where it goes. So yeah, are you ready? Reflect. I feel like, for majority of you, you need to look within, because you're going to find out a lot of answers to the situations that you are dealing with right now in your love life. Our love is beautiful. You feel like, your love for this person is beautiful, but then you don't see the love coming from this person. I feel like, that's very evident right now. Self-worth and self-confidence. Maybe you need to work on self-worth and self-confidence, because otherwise, maybe you would never, if you are confident in yourself, you would never be needy of something, because you would know that you will get it, without even putting effort into it. So maybe you need to work on that. Pisces, Scorpio could be the signs that you are dealing with as well. Feed the birds. Feeding birds will help you a lot to clear the negativity in your life. This person could be a gem of a person, or maybe you yourself could be a gem of a person. You need to acknowledge that. Marriage proposal is on its way to you, but yes, if you stay patient with them. Release the pain. Try to heal yourself from the past experiences, because maybe, like I said earlier, it's very important for you to look within, because I feel like, it's more of your inner work that needs to be done in this connection, because that's affecting the connection more than your person's energy. So yeah, let's see the charms on. Let's see what the charms has to add to the lead. So we do have R and I. It can be your name initial of the person that you are dealing with. You have to be strong. You have to be strong. It's more like you need to work on. There are some patterns that you need to leave behind, because until and unless you do that, until and unless you break free from the negativity from the past experiences, past relationships, you will not have a positive relationship. And plus, like I said earlier, you need to have some fun time. Try not to get too obsessed with this person, whoever it is that you are dealing with. Try to give them space and try to let them breathe as well. Affirmations and your words in this connection are going to be very important. Make sure you don't pick a fight, and even if you pick a fight, an argument, make sure your words are not hurtful to this person, because I feel like, they could be damaging your connection if you don't watch your words. And when it comes to affirmations, if you use the words right way, you can get the results that you want. So yeah, you can use affirmation to make things work in your connection with your person. If you want to purchase my set of affirmations, you can do that as well. Check the description box for further details on that. So yeah, this pretty much it coming up for you for this read. If the reading resonated with you, to like, subscribe and share. If you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye.